The Iraqi Dinar Breakthrough. Bank of America launches nationwide exchange program. Welcome to Iraqi Dinar RV, the journey of the Iraqi Dinar IQD, and in the lives of those who have held it in hopes of a meaningful revaluation. Today's update is not just another speculative rumor or recycled headline. This is the real thing, verified, unfolding across the United States and changing the narrative around the IQD. After years of waiting, watching, and weathering waves of doubt and misinformation, holders of Iraqi Dinar now have something solid to stand on. One of the largest financial institutions in the country, Bank of America, has officially begun processing in-person exchanges of the Iraqi Dinar. That's right, physical currency exchanges inside real bank branches under a structured and regulated framework. Let's break it down. A new era begins. Bank of America opens its doors. For years, the possibility that a major U.S. bank would ever facilitate dinar exchanges was viewed as wishful thinking. Forums and online groups were filled with rumors and predictions, but nothing ever seemed to come of it. Now that has changed. Starting around June 10, 2025, select Bank of America branches began executing live IQD redemptions. This isn't a fringe movement or backroom deal. This is a carefully executed rollout with verified procedures, internal compliance, and real customers walking away with confirmed exchanges. Initial reports surfaced in Florida, where customers shared appointment slips, teller receipts, and detailed personal testimonies. Within days, similar confirmations came in from Texas, California, Illinois, Georgia, and Nevada. The rollout is happening on a national scale, but in a controlled and secure fashion. Structured, tiered, and serious. The exchange system at Bank of America is anything but casual. It's not as simple as walking in with a stack of bills and walking out with cash. The process is structured across 3 tiers based on the volume of IQD held, the quality of documentations provided, and the individual's intent. Tier 1. Walk-ins and casual holders. This level is for individuals who hold a relatively small amount of dinar, typically a few $100,000 to $1 million IQD. They can visit select branches without a prior appointment, though availability varies. Exchange rates at this tier are reported to range between $1.25 and $2.50 per IQD, depending on note condition and basic documentation. Tier 2. Prepared investors. These individuals arrive with more significant amounts, clean notes, and full documentation, including purchase receipts and identification. Appointments are usually required. This tier offers improved rates, generally between $300 and $500 per IQD. Transactions occur in private meeting rooms with dedicated currency or wealth specialists. Tier 3. High-volume holders. For those exchanging millions of dinar, often with a background in investing or wealth management, this tier involves higher scrutiny. It may include signing non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, tax advisory meetings, or long-form contracts. Reported exchange rates in this tier reach up to $6,050 or higher per IQD. Every step is reviewed thoroughly to ensure compliance with federal regulations. Why so much structure? Currency exchange, especially on this scale, is tightly regulated. Banks like Bank of America must follow anti-money laundering, AML laws, perform Know Your Customer (KYC) checks, and validate all foreign currency through a detailed verification process. Each note goes through ultraviolet scans, watermark inspections, serial number matching, and counterfeit detection systems. Customers are required to provide government-issued photo ID, proof of current address, utility bill, bank statement, original proof of purchase from a licensed currency dealer. Without these, you cannot complete a Tier 2 or Tier 3 transaction. How the rollout was prepared. While this public-facing stage began in June 2020, internal preparations at Bank of America reportedly started months earlier. Training sessions, foreign currency policy updates, and new teller software were quietly rolled out across select branches. Screenshots of banking terminals showing IQD rates and functions began surfacing in late spring. Shortly after, photographs of appointment cards, teller receipts labeled with IQD, and in-branch testimonials started flooding community forums and social media. How to participate? First and foremost, not all Bank of America branches are participating. If you hold IQD and wish to exchange it, the recommended steps are: 1. Call your local branch, ask for the Foreign Currency or International Transactions Department. Not all branches are authorized or trained to handle IQD. 2. Get referred to a participating location. If your local branch isn't equipped, they will refer you to the nearest one that is. 3. Schedule an appointment. Required for Tier 2 and 3. You'll receive confirmation via email and possibly a checklist of documents to bring. 4. Prepare thoroughly. Bring your IQD in good condition, original purchase receipts, identification, and proof of address. Dress professionally. Be respectful. 5. Attend the appointment. You'll be escorted to a private meeting room where your currency will be authenticated. Depending on your tier, this process may take 15 to 45 minutes. 6. Review and accept the offer. After verification, you'll be presented with an exchange rate. If accepted, funds will be deposited into your account, sometimes instantly, though larger deals may require follow-up visits with legal or tax professionals. Real people, real proof. This isn't just online noise. Clients from Houston, Dallas, Tampa, San Diego, Las Vegas, and Chicago have provided physical evidence, including scanned deposit slips, teller transaction logs, and first-hand videos of the exchange experience. These reports consistently mention professionalism, transparency, and a sense of legitimacy. In some cities, only 5 to 10 appointments are processed daily, a clear sign that Bank of America is prioritizing quality over speed. Why no public announcement? Many are asking, why hasn't Bank of America made a formal press release? The answer lies in compliance, demand control, and risk mitigation. A nationwide announcement could spark an uncontrollable wave of unprepared customers, overwhelming staff and systems. By rolling it out quietly and methodically, the bank ensures a safe, legal, and professional process for all parties involved. Final thoughts. A historic moment for the Dinar community. For decades, the Dinar community has faced ridicule, false promises, and endless speculation. Many lost faith, but now a verified large-scale IQD exchange program is underway, not through hype, but through action. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a structured financial opportunity for those who played by the rules, saved their documentation, and remained patient. If you're one of them, your time may have finally arrived. Stay informed, be prepared, and above all, proceed with professionalism and clarity. We'll continue covering every new development here on Iraqi Dinar RV. Until next time, stay grounded, stay ready, and stay tuned. Disclaimer: this article is intended for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or tax advice. The foreign exchange market is inherently risky and prone to misinformation. Consult with qualified professionals before making any investment decision. Iraqi Dinar RV is not liable for any losses or damages resulting from the use or reliance on this content.